Welcome to Kênh Testing. Today, Kênh Testing shares with you about how to test web application. Before I start, I will share a web page with you as a sample for the lesson. Okay, let's go. From above web page, you will ask that what is web application testing? Right. And this is my answer. Web testing is a software testing to test websites or web applications for potential bugs. A web-based system needs to be checked completely from end to end before it goes live for end users. You know, not testing your website can have a big impact on how visitors see your site. There are many reasons that show why website testing is important. Here, I will share with you some reasons why website testing is important or the advantages of web application testing. First, these basic errors can make a massive impact on your website performance while lowering the business value, as broken links, image loading, search functions not working, or forms not submitting correctly. So, check if your website works. Second, the use of mobile is increasing rapidly to browse the internet. So, it's necessary to ensure your web application works perfectly or at least displays correctly on mobile devices. And so check if your website displays properly on mobile devices. Third, accessibility has become a major concern for organizations because poor access to web applications can damage their brand image. So, it is vital to ensure your website is accessible to every person. Fourth, every user uses different browsers for website suffering. You'll have to make sure your site works fine across all web browsers. So, check if your website is compatibility with it. Fifth, no one likes to scroll through a slow website. So, check if your website performance displays properly. Sixth, SEO issues can be easily found in a website as broken links, duplicate content, new pages without writing individual page titles, not updating the sitemap, and other hidden issues. So, check if your website SEO is working properly. Seventh, cybersecurity is one of the primary concerns for every small as well as large organization, as the rate of website hacking is increasing day by day. So, it's crucial to ensure your website is secured from all kind of threats. Now, you will ask me that how to test web application. Okay, this is checklist which we should do them to test web application. Here they are 6 techniques for software testers as functionality testing, usability testing, interface testing, compatibility testing, performance testing, security testing. First, functionality testing is to check if the product works as the customer intended. Verify there is no dead page or invalid redirects. First, check all the validations on each field. Wrong inputs to perform negative testing. Verify the workflow of the system. Verify the data integrity. Second, usability testing, to verify how the application is easy to use with. Test the navigation and controls. Content checking. Check for user intuition. Third, interface testing, to verify the interface and the data flow from one system to other. For example, check what happens if the user interrupts any transaction in between. Check what happens if the connection to the web server is reset in between. Compatibility testing to determine if your software is compatible with other elements of a system with which it should operate, e.g. browsers, operating systems, or hardware. For example, browser compatibility, operating system compatibility, compatible to various devices like notebook, mobile, etc. Fifth, performance testing is to verify the server response time and throughput under various load conditions. For example, check if the performance, stability, and scalability of an application display under different load conditions. Check if the application bottlenecks. Check if the new version of the software adversely had an impact on response time. Sixth, security testing is to identify any flaws and gaps from a security point of view. For example, check if the important information, like password, credit card numbers, etc., should display in encrypted format. Check if the view source code option is disabled and should not be visible to the user. Check if the SQL injection attacks. Thank you for watching. If this video is useful for you, do not hesitate to like, share and subscribe to support for Kênh Testing and follow new videos. Have a good day. Goodbye.